Touch the late in secretary to guidance la people like so shoe and reading thing and so the next 7 days ra na chinachua gi say chickney say dune barla tarik chickney tarik dune barla ra ni to the chick ring kira la kare chungudu the color reading la shai and kiran so lota di korim chene tanda chewa lang tak yu duk dul badungi ra chewa lang tak yu duk dul kiran gi lota di nani karo chi ba na tingin dun kiran gi chedure la ni shai ani kiran gi lota di mai ba na ani next part 2 li re la ni shai part 2 yu la ni share okay ani tabu kiran gi part 1 din la ani chewa lang tak yu duk dul okay ni kiran so chi du yin la share ani so gi lota di ani di your description la nge time temptation yu up to so gi lota di ta ya chira on di yin la share yi okay ni lota tangbu di korim shin ani chewa lota yi touch the le chewa lota so kiran gi lota chewa ba ni ndung di kiran gi chidure kiran gi chidu next 7 days kare chungu do on di kola reading yi tarik chik ni tarik dun parla ra on di kola reading yi la share yi and tangbu kiran gi current energy check chikira. First, I'm going to check your current energy. Oh my God, current energy, the devil card lead. Okay, ni kiran so ki current energy tis chik di tu take. Kala ore devil card lead din du current energy la ra. Indi insir da kiran so the current energy that is cars ke kari ko so mastis te ta kari to la do di ngala clarification chikodra. I need some clarification for this. Okay, kenzorat na mangche chiki chitu da na current energy de karidula na career dang dende tokla kiran zo pe ti shuk chimbu do di usara career tokla pe shuk chimbu sim shuk chimbu kene do di usara ani leka di gyopu do beche do khache wona la job ta this thing me pesa double la do ya ni ma ni shuna pesa kiranga chi double chagre la do o deni pe speed kang la tara so speed kang la do ya ra this chik sheda patience me do o deni do tu gidra pe energetic ende dura mang che chik chi do kiran zo da current energy o deni re shera ta ine ka chi chi do relationship na la insil the relationship na la this chik mati wa to dang nyok sing do da toxic do da this chuk dia to dang ra ani relationship la this chik ta kala ore honesty tangku tangjang shida mache do dang ra yana chu tangbu mache yana pa tangbu mache ndingi ra kerang ge energy indu ni kerang la yana chu tangbu chungyu chigyu yu mara yana kerang pa tangbu mache dende yin sikir tara ini mangche chigi chido ya career rang re do da career gang la pe da jopu nga pe successful chago do le jo pe lega ini gyopu tupu do pesha ini gyopu syo do ta kharla or ta career kang la pe shuk chimbo ni name fame tang tende to la kali ga yu ne pe gyopu rato rat khala ore fame keta chimbo cha do dang ra o tende gi do ba shuk chimbo li chi ya da pe na video do lu na ding sa video chi viral cha na ani keta chimbo cha sar lai cha chen chik la million do view ra ni keta chimbo cha sar on to pe gyopu chungya gi pe di chi and to chorwa shuk chimbo da kerang gi da current energy la do da current kerang gi chorwa o de shuk chimbo chi do de sar kar ja do ne pe gyopu tu be yora o de do chi tengi do okay yana kachi chigi chidu subula ni nasa do yo ai ne gyopu sinchik la daya sinni la daya men disa da men gyopu daya gi try che and yung mara nai de khali nasa sim khali nagre ani daya la tis du khurgi ra da lamsang chik juma da lamsang da do and da yung mara odi do ni kirangi ni kang tu gyopu chungya ra da unexpected yora kirangi expectation pe shuk chimbu ki gi sar nge sembala yora o de do shitingi do kan energy okay 아니 네가 레카 티체원 다 레카가 베슈크 침벌리기도 계란 소아치라 current energy 레카 자와 소소아치다 커리어 요라 소소 이 커리어 롭좀 오 텐데가 베슈크 침벌리기도라 아니 니 레카디 카체원나다 베 조금 confuse 해 정아 대체 알아 옵션 유망보도 당아 간지 담고 나섬 confusion 간라 되고도 치도라 계란 카체원나 고마소 confusion 다 카리다 오치 담보치가 도이나 오 텐데도 오치라 계란 게 current energy 오 텐데도 치도기도라 confusion 아니 강도도 족보족도 야기 에너지 따이네 가르치고 이 옵션 망다네 디스틱 고마츠 오디네 디스 컨퓨전 도치둥기도 오케이 그런 소지 다인데 가지치기 제도양 소소 relationship 인기라 relationship 나라 confusion 가르치고 고마츠 스텝 가르링고 고마츠 오니도 되고도 둥기도 relationship 나라 임바이네양 health 강라양 chikni chigi chidu insigirira ini kerangi chidu man karidula na career la shukchi bu pe lidura career la pe confusion yugo option mangbu yugo ini kari dambu chego ko ma so diga la gyopu chungo e chimi so so la on de pe gyopu chungya ge ngam sim la ngam da la ro de pe shukchi bu ra o de do chitungi du current energy on the day do chitu dura kiran watch. Okay, the sun card next 7 days la sun card lidra ani kiran zo chido okay 10 of pentacles kiran zo chida ne on the da kharche u go ma chu ne chikya pe career kan la kalawre pe da kali gyudura pe kali gyap ani dagarang kiran zo kali gyap to wa na yang didu da yang samno ya potang ne lega chewa ina yang kiran zo pe option mambo yo ne dinani yakpo chik dam to ne yakpo chetu wa na kiran zo la success do da success name fame money do da ra kiran zo chido name fame money kari to da kali gyu career to la yora name fame chido kali gyu yang money yang di sumka kari chido kali gyu on de la kiran zo la success do okay ani kiran zo gi chirdan ne danda di health kan la kan yiti yo ai ne health kan la success do ra ani kiran zo gi danda ka시지 치도 양 헬트 강라 디케난 저기 규반이 레교 나사인데 인식이라 오딘데 뚱기 두케난 저기 치도라 어디 인디 체크도 체크업도 체제나 약부도 가지나 규바기 제 그러니까 제너레이션 게 나사도 리다 온데도 인식이 가시지 치도라 백콤부라 인타 이네 케난 저다 네임 페 마니 커리어 돈달라 칼리 갱이 데졸라 넥스트 7 days 라 데뷔도 오케이 케난 저라 데뷔 빼고 뚱기도 아니 케난 저라 티스틱 엔데 제르시 내가 같이 왜 confusion 디 lera this step back chera this lele dera ani samno ya potang go erishira lele deni samno tang deni samno pe abo kordo da ta ti tang amda kala jode wa na ge ko chi yong thog min da ni lele chen samno tang ne do ai na kiran zola dibu pe abo du lan she okay okay da onde to chi tungi dora da du shimba kale li dora financial te yakpo pe chagu du kiran zo kali na tanda kali kya nyen ti zo ichi du da pe kali kya tingi chi ora de zo ichi du financial pe apo chi du yang tanda kiran zo confusion ga la dingi chi ora de zo te chi step back che samlo yakpo tang ani lele che ne de dara ani idea pe yakpo kor yung du ra yang de la pa pe yang so so gita dinane khare che du ta yakpo chi du yakpo pe cha do ye du ra ani generation disease insecurity kashi chi chi du nasa den de du ra kashi relationship na la problem the dingi de zo la ni harmony li du da next 7 days la shide kalaure samshi shide q 아니 참튼 온 딜리도 next 7 days okay kiranzo yakpochedo relationship la dada kanye trading in sola kale shidili du la she okay simte go mindu 아니 kiranzo de khashiji 타게 야고 치우마 동네 데이다 내가 가리네다 samlo idea di pe ma bokorine kalaure ta application da kalaure lega di samlo pe ma bokorine lega mache jo da onde na die che wasam shigu samlo ma bo idea ma bo khira ine keran zo gi practical gangla che ke ma thoye jo o tende do chi tungi do ra keran zo ach tende imba ina next 7 days la keran zo gi practical chik ne ko chuk ne ra tapi na dakiran idea mambo ra da sangma charchik la jeila na yungu mara dina ne idea yakshu chik tam so so li la shodo yakshu do je to ya do onde de chik tam ne ni dunta dina la idea chik kerang ge apply che ya onde de tingi do kiran idea mambo che ra dina apply chik kerang ge practical ga na ke to ya onde de tingi do ra pe apudura ani so so name fame ta tendi to la kali gengi de zola ni fame right sindi go min dura ini action di lengo do okay ani kiranzo chitani kiranzo rangshin pe mira pure honesty pe mi tangbu tangkyang pe kalor shide de ni simba sangma q honesty ra o de pe yakputu da kiranzo natural ani danda ta ine kiranzo la samsam je garegi problem te yu sar lanrang ngagel ego gi tis chik da so so yakpu positive yu dia ego gi manim le jo so so la ego nyam to this fight je ko kigi yu ra this single kigi yu ra ego down swell on the kiranzo next 7 days la down suit we ego down che ani so so pe dayang namgyun natural karire so so be positivity yora kiranzo on de ni kirangi natural gi di kangla le yungde kirangi rangshin di kangla le yungde kirangi pe sim sangma dura ani shide dura tende de du ni kirangi ta sim sangma shide kene kare do chi jaga do ani chawalam do yungya rape ya pochaya o de tingi dura ni ta di kap so samsam ego di gi ti sik so so la disturb chi dura di ego di ma chom goya ra on de do chom thugya next 7 days na la kiranzo ego chom thugya ani natural so so gi rangshin gari bo on de la on di form na la le thugya so so pe yak pochaya okay what in the thing you do you are coming into your natural form and actually your natural personality is that you are very pure honesty and very peaceful person but sometimes you have to fight with your ego so in next 7 days you are going to fight with that and you are going to fight with your ego and you are going to win in that fight and you are coming back to your natural form which is your purity honesty and peaceful person okay this is your natural okay and you can also choose the next 7 days la on the okay any if you are working very hard to achieve something in this next 7 days, you are going to achieve a small success. Okay, you are going to see the small success and you are going to feel very satisfied, happy because of that. Okay, and if you're going through some relationship issues, or if you're going through some physical health issues or mental health issues, you're going to feel better in next 7 days because the sun card is coming. So this says you're going to feel better in next 7 days. Okay, if whatever you're going through, you have to find you will find a solution and you will feel better in next 7 days. Okay, and if you're working, if you have lots of ideas but you are not able to apply one idea because you are confused, then the cards are saying that you have to step back, relax, and you will find which one is the best idea and you are going to apply that idea in next 7 days. Okay, career is looking very good, and even if you are going through some difficulties right now, you are going to come out from that difficulties. You will find the solution and you will come back to your peaceful and honesty form of your natural self. Okay, this is your next 7 days reading, and it's also so go ahead message take the paying timo chine rayo perewa you ani de la papa animal spirit ki keransola guide karikeli. Okay, what is the guide from animal spirit? Okay, turkey spirit is coming for you. Okay, for next 7 days, turkey spirit is coming, and turkey spirit says that give with gratitude and grace. Okay, this is your guidance for next 7 days. Turkey spirit is coming, so this is give with gratitude and grace. Okay, so what kirangi karedo ji kirangla yakpu chungi do sama gratitude feel je shingwa je lai cho grateful feel je cho ngaran so katsu grateful feel je ne dakam ki so semba kiwa yaga I kuyanga chagiri and katsu yakpu chawa ne dakam ki so positive energy di attract chigiri ni yaga kyang kyang chungi lai cho di indi shokpe langwa dang so la grateful feel je go ya reason kare gare do jungtu na journal chiara dia I am grateful for this rao then this also journal tiao then the keshidura ani grace ra ani pe le shide nyam chirda ne kinala strength card leader kinan natural rangshin kare the pe purity honesty pe tangbo mi tangbo tangyang chini pe simba sangma rangshin de on den de do an din de rangshin ge form na la le to wa na kira rangshin ge pe siji nyam le yo la o den de tie ke shido. Okay, next 7 days on this so ichido guidance redara. Okay, this is your guidance, and ta kiran so ichido reading ta kamsi and so logo message te ping jimu chin rai perewa ye ani nyindung de la katak channel la subscribe ani ngir di cheong just tele lang lo ta so kiran gi lo ta la ba na nyindung de kiran gi chedo re kiran gi chedo next 7 days rat na tarik chik ne thun par do la chinda chuwa gi tarik chik ne thun par la kiran la khare gare chungu do ko la reading ila shwai dangbo ani kiran gi current energy ra. Your current energy looks like okay yours the drink ra kenzo kalaure na dagi chiwagi current energy pe tidura sadness tura simpakyo laure chik current energy shira positive mindura danda kirange positive mindu da kirange gari positive mindu lana khuryu positive mindura kira mi pe positive mi pe pure mi pe sangma dotara ne kirange khuryu positive mindu khuryu ne kirala ne kenye de dugu yusigiri kirange tokpoto mota kirange yana leka chesa ande yana khuryu chik madikyo do chira wonde de do chikirala ye yongi mingi madi watu chedo do khuryu ke chik madi watu da chikirala wonde de jungshara chikchena sahe tongya madi ne kyora se kalaure junk food do da indi mambu consume chene so semba ke umege chatu ro wonde de yana khuryu la chik madi kyo kan tar kirangi ye yongi midin so ge tes chik marap tabe to da marap so toxic people wonde de da situation kirangi da tis chik kharap situation ya poshida mindu. You are a very pure person, but your situation looks a little bit bad right now, ra. This is your current energy. Want to do and kerang ine da give up chero cheja o da yapuchi mindu da kachore samejo o do this current energy wanted to do chitungi. Okay, current energy wanted to do chitungi the confirmation chikile or cut. Okay, any relationship 라 망체지기 치료단다 the current energy the relationship 기래 코륙 소소 이닝이 오토 뭐다 빈체 낭미 파마니 소소 교가기미다 지카시 지 소소라 대저 교미기서에 저 어딘데 인시기라 기란 저기 치료 relationship 가마라 아니 계란기 뇌바디 카리둘라 relationship 라베 harmony 레토야 베 peaceful 레토야 시데 레토야 samshe 레토야 deep connection 레토야 어딘데 도지 계란기 뇌바식 침부 키기에서 current energy라라 오케이 니 계란기 나 아니 디가 아니 계란기 답나 career 약부수에 벌절롱주 약부수에 career 약부수에 된들레 계란기라 소소소 스킬 야르게 땅에 오 된데 계란기 삼로 숙침부 당겨서라 단다 current energy 오 된데 도시팅기도 계란 속에 오케이 Your current energy looks like you want to make harmony in your relationship, mutual understanding, deep love. You want to develop and improve your relationships with whoever you're with, okay? And you want to improve your financial situation as well, okay? Financial status as well. So this is your current energy. Oh, then it was what is coming for you in next 7 days? Okay, the Four of Swords leader. Ani kenan zo in next 7 days la kare chichingi tudu la nara kenan zo 강톱도 쌤라 시리케 루기 켈리 토기하게 트라이 치기도라 삐약포도 키란zo 강톱도 시리케 토기하라 아니 켄zo 삼로 빼 망보 코르기였어라 빼다 딥 삼로 다 민다 코레죠 원데데 인기라 키란zo 코르육 양 this negative 요아이네 디가나 삼로 망아타네 negative 망아 소이셔죠 아마 데네 치디 또 삼로 나라 빼 삼로 망보 땅 빼다 칼로르 삼로 왜 망보 코르데죠 레바나라 코라기네 오 데데 오게 갈리티기였어래 next 7 days like 키란 카레칭이 두고들라 디치 키란라 심바 sympathise ra sympathise di indikerang ki kang tup shidi komya ra sim chia deep breathing chia meditation chia ani she ne sop nia saja ine koryuk tis kago simbo yo sala tunye toya kachena na kirang ki sim this chick that listening to the the next 7 days like they try that's very good. You are thinking a lot, you're overthinking. Actually your surroundings looks bad right now, but you are thinking you are doing overthinking and you are making it more worse situation but in next 7 days you try to make yourself a little bit peaceful, you trying to bring a little peace in your mind so that you are going to do some meditation, deep breathing, or staying in a silent peaceful place, or listening a peaceful music. You will try this kind of thing in next 7 days, okay? Or then it so that you will feel more better. Okay, mental peace. You want to have mental peace. Oh, then they do 통기더라. 아니 계란기 다 가리 next 7 days 라 가리둘란 찍니 계란기 다 쉬운 멍부치 계란기 장샤여라단다. 아니 린소 마뛰야라. Oh, then they try 찍이더라. 마뛰야 try 찍이도. mila ropache mila malabia ani on the try chigidu kirangi next 7 days okay mi simpala pentok thukya shin penche simpa kanyi thedingi la ropache thuyara soso kanyi yune ta simpa chila kanyi thedini o ta ngai ne tende kanyi testa da simpa tila ta ngi ropache thuwa jo ningche tende kanyi thi mashu go samejo simpa sampu ke jo o tende to next 7 days la on the day do chitungi to okay kirango chi you will feel very kind and generous towards other in next 7 days, so you want to help other who needed it in these 7 days, okay? So you're going to help needed people, okay? Needy one, okay? On the day, and can next 7 days la celebration ya tungi dura relationship la chipta ne can pe harmony killing it do pe peaceful shide yakpo samshe paso understanding on the sungi do the relationship the yakpo sungi do the and can next 7 days la pe yakpo yung to ye can la rat taksin yakpo ligi dura can la yakpo yung to ye chance to ani diga la ni can ta relationship gi do la can la da khari do chit kurangi yerge tangi to the relationship la so so gi pama pinje ni ro kurangi da sissa chi yora sem na la si sachigo ondi nyam도 가리 약부직 칭이 두도 상마 약부지 두게 아니 계란기다 아니 약부 상마 계란기 되봐 이게 낭신 줍도 와나 같이 이르니 베이스 밖에 오차기를 celebrate 지라 relationship satisfaction ligging on the relationship looks very good in next 7 days. If you want to improve your relationship with someone, then you are going to improve that in next 7 days and you are going to feel very happy about that and you will celebrate for that relationship, okay? Mutual understanding, harmony, peaceful relationship, okay? On the 통기도 계란적인 next 7 days relationship la peyakudu. Chitan, even if you are single, you might meet a person, okay? One day do who is very understanding towards you. Ra, one day do chira. Pe yakputong do next 7 days relationship kichido pe yakpudu kiranzo ra. And kiranzo overthink chida one day relationship la the 6 of Carly song. Sorry, 6 of Ladisha. The lovers card list way. Relationship like on next 7 days. Your relationship looks very good. Very good. Oh my god, I'm so surprised. Pe yakpora kachin and harmony lead relationship, mutual understanding, deep level of understanding right towards each other in relationship, and you are celebrating with your family members, and your love life is going to be better. Even if you are single and you want to go in a relationship, relationship nala to you can go, you can meet a person, your soulmate. Okay, and kirangi see relationship nala yo ine kirangi pe relationship harmony kiu pazo sewa champo chamjong ningje kirangi danda relationship la duso shita tang to me kirangi kyoga kirangi kime 결혼기 보고 돈달 두서시라 땅독이 매와 있나 next 7 days 라 두서 약부 빼 땅독이야 건조이 치도 계자 빼고 시도야 소소를 계자 대박 한강 시야라야 닝담 상마 시야라야 오 텐리도 오던기도 next 7 days okay relationship 라 계란솔라 항상 약부도 계란속이 man the mind is chigra overthinking chegi do your overthinker also in next 7 days you are going to feel very peaceful because you are trying to make your mental health better, right? So you're going to feel very good in next 7 days, and your relationship are improving. Okay, relationship 약보차야 동기다 빼 약보차야 동기다 결혼속이 맨 팀 디디 둔다딜라 결혼속이 expectation 가리 샤우도 relationship 빼 약보차야게 expectation 나 되기도 오케이 빼 약보차야게도 아니 결혼속이 치도 animal guidance 가리더라. Okay, animal guidance. Okay, snake spirit lesra. Snakey. Okay, time to heal day. Time to heal. Ama day confirmation test kiranzo current energy candid day drag do ada. Time to heal las day. Healing che dusuli sha las da pe koryu kandi yune re kila gari dupo kanye karati yune re mental la gazu kanye tigyo ine ra da kiran la ra. Dai di changma lue tangya dusuli stada ba do kanye dupo tigyo che ora changma lue tangya dusuli sha las ra. Time to heal las day. Oh, the cat lead the Kiranzola baby police so they time to heal. That's so that Lutang the Junga Jungsare Duga and the Karijunga and the Jungsare Galegale Lutang Laja, sim shidi, sim Q Sulaja, oh, did it. And the Kiranzo reading painting Chimudra next 7 days. Oh, the Dini so message they be paying too much in the Rio, but you and he Kiranzo ye and Yendung Tila, Katak channel, subscribe. Okay, near the Chayong. Tashile taklota so kirangi lota time by nangin dung kirangi chidu next 70s ra tarik chini tarik duim parla ra chinda chuba gi tarik chini tarik duim parla kirangi chidu kare chungudu du kala reading ila shwe okay and kirangi chidu the current energy your current energy, and then we will see what is happening for you in next 7 days. Okay, your current energy. Okay, and kirangi current energy that is chikandi tungudula narada hami kadli duradi and kirangi current energy that is chikirara. This simple you make you lonely to feel chi mendo some chick to this lonely or a loneliness. Okay, kirangi ta ye yun la mi mangbo yune re kiran chikpu imba ine re mi mangbo kila di yo ine re kandi ine re sim nanglo la this lonely feel chi mendo some chick to. Okay, kirangi current energy oh then loneliness to feel chi you sare and see simple nang to loneliness on the do tungu dran kirangi da nga chikpu risha nga la pe samshi chi tungi mindu samende me. I think you are feeling lonely right now, even if you are surrounded by many people, or if you are living alone, you are feeling lonely right now. Okay, on the current energy and kirangi chirtane kirangi karachidula the current energy la kiran giving gala peshuk chimbo the energy giving ra mi simbala tia chimbatangya rokpachia ani simbala yana chimba karini insel gyno paju longchu yungoni chimbatangya rokpachia yana kirangi ra shin yungoni mila labya tenzo kirangi chimba na chagyo ra kirangi mila rokpachia kantar mi simbala pe shenpen shuk chimbo an kiran simba lonely feel chide simbala pe rokpaching yue cho o tedi do simba sangbo chi simbala pe Pashuk Chimbu Chiegi Duba, one that Shuk Chimbu current energy la and Kirangi recently Jimba and the Tang Chip Mila Theatre 9 days, Giring is Simbalara. Okay, and Kirangi. Chitani kiran the current situation de la kiran pe simpa kyo go minduk tarat pe and the koryu pe kirangi surrounding negatives to mindu ra pe dikshara normal do ine kiran simba nanglo ni chik ma changyo to chik digi mewa to ra chik so gi da simba gi ti chik negativity ka shuk chia to nen kyu me ge chungya o den de sha anya che de sure what of feeling emotionally ra chik sure what o de feel chigyo to shitungi dura. Okay, ine kiran la tanda sure in the game indu kiran si gana ni current energy kirang la ning chimu du kirang la ko kapende relation and the relationship you go kapende insir karini insir round the relation ani kirang la upcoming next 7 days la karili dia Titagi Shimbachile, Chivalotala, Tiranlista. Okay, next 7 days, like you can also get together with your family members. Okay, I wanted to Tungi Rakanagi, Pinganami, someone of the Somni give Tang or the financial gain ship Chimboyana, hops like your dog and like a bishop among riot or the Legachis and the Kani, Nisira, pay happy money, pay a project Chimbo into social riot or Dani. Now the Digichini, social bishop among riot or the family name to Somzum keep Tanga on the Tungitura, and Kiranzo, the name fame money to the Kali Kenya, you are in Kiranzo, sun card lead, then they can only feel chigio in a game in the next 7 days like a relationship young and me the social and a positive person and do to get to the one the chick to moto ride or the point ride or the chick or the miss out and pay positive energy you go and to get to the anti chene family and to get together chene or pay simple kucha me that the lonely feel chat into some loud on the next 7 days can watch paying chimodo okay next 7 days paying to come into and kiranzo ichido okay next 7 days la financial base shukchimbuli do kiranzo ichidura financial gain shukchimbu chidura financial kirangi jimba shukchimbu tangi de kiran chubi mangbu pe yakpur ra and tindidura and kirangi the finance saving pe apo chetu ya one de tingidu kirangi saving pe apo chetu okay finance kala kiranzo la yakpo tingidu da ti dunda dira kiranzo pesha ki tola this chikali ge gyo aina ani tebu yakpo dula shwe okay kajina finance shukchimbuli dura dinana ani kiranzo la high preciously okay ni live la balance pe shuk chimbo su together kiranzo ge danda lega chi bole dona chi di yu na yang phama pinche le du so tang ya phama pinche le chi pu yang so pingya nang mi edi do chi pu chi gap te lega la sheda career la sheda dona chi me wa na career le pe dona chi du pa su da balance pe apo su together 아니 오늘도 둥기도 기난족이 배나 밸런스 약보 수도 게 둥기들한 디 둥데들 기난족라 양 가지지기 치도 양 계속 싸워인데 노리지 싸워인데 하고야 된대 비 찬스더라 아니 싸워인데 하고 시리 인디가라 기난족 양 싸워인데 하고라 가지지기 치도 아니 기난족 기난라 양마 intuition power 기난가 베슈 침보 펠리아 오데도 둥기도라 아니 기난족라 제전 좀마게 독 베슈 침보 그린 타라게 베라 green tara is protecting you okay your protector is green tara for this week okay so you can pray for yourself to green tara okay on the your financial gains are very good in this week okay you are getting lots of big amount of money you're feeling abundant and you will get a chance to meet with your family members as well in this week and you will feel better because right now your energy looks like you're feeling lonely okay you're feeling loneliness or something and you're very kind and you want to help other people your current energy looks very good and in this week you can earn a big amount of money and then you're going to save that money as well in this week you'll feel better okay you'll feel better the sun card is coming so you will make balance everything is on balance okay so your career your financial your family members you will make time for all of these aspects of your life okay so you're going to make balance and you will know some secrets you might know some secrets in this week okay so you'll feel surprised as well a little bit or more ra tende tungi dra kinan so kido okay animal guidance ke gare lead tadra kiran so financial yakobe tungi do tindre okay okay come animal guidance so you want to come as well okay so kiran so animal guidance ni tambali dra chikari do rabbit spirit chik the flamingo spirit lidra rabbit spirit de rabbit spiritless rabbit now is a lucky time okay this is your lucky time because sun card is coming for you as well so this week is luckiest week for you you can feel like that okay kirangi do ba khari ge dupsar kirangi family member ngem do chumdu yo na chumjum che kip tangya bi du du ani kirangi financial kali ge na financial bikilon ya pa pecha ge du ani kirang khari do ba ge kirangi dubgi dura di du animal guidance ke khari lagi du now is a lucky time okay this is your lucky time kirang khari che du ne kirangi leka khari to chi la kirangi importance to you ne someone dubki race ra on the lidu and the flamingo spirit lidra flamingo yikarkhile embrace the in between ladra embrace the in between ladu that tanda kirangi pe loneliness feel che chikta next kirala pe kyu chungye chikda dingi ge paro dila du so tongba chira on tila kirangi embrace che la cha dit paro tongba danga la yakpu chik chungju yu ta samne hop kan la de chu on tende ke shi dura kiranzo hop kan la danda kiranzo this kyu me wa ne khari chik di me wa ne kiranzo ge this chik da hop kan la de chu ta yakpu chik ge chungir ta la chu on the hop la de go de ke shi dura kajina sun card is coming for you so this week is lucky week for you. Okay, now is a lucky time. The guidance is very good. Okay, so kiran zo kichido message tiki ping ing jimo chin ra prewa yo ni nyendung de la katak channel la subscribe ani ngur de cheyong. Touch tele you lot so kiran gi lot yu ba ni nyendung de kiran gi chido re kiran gi chido next 7 days ra tarik chikne tarik dun par la kiran la kare kare chungu du chinta chuwa gi ra o di ko la reading yi ani tangbu kiran gi current energy kan de do chi du o di check chi ra. Current energy kiranzo gita relationship kala pe yak poto de gyo do chitungi tora kirangi dewa yosa chi yora kirangi family nangmi pinche nyen nyen do poto mo ta su ene kirangi dewa yosa chi yora tingam the relationship pe yak poto da samshe mutual understanding pazo samshe che pazo tsewa che jamyong je ning che da relationship na la goen chi yora sangma pazo chi gyo do pe relationship yak poto ngi do your current relationship looks very good, mutual understanding, harmony in relationship, a deep connection between the two people, with your friend, with your family. This can be with your life partner, this can be anyone. Okay, so your relationship looks very good for now. Relationship okay ani kirangi chi dur ale suddenly kirang la chik news to chik nesul do ken saw chik shocking news to on den to kirang chungyu gire yana kirangi leka ne chungya to dai chik change to sudden change, sudden shock to kirang zola chik and do recently kirang zola danda current energy on the day to chik chung de sar kirang zola chik gyurwa shuk chimbu do jo gyurwa ngoma megyo chik danda yugyo cha do chik ngoma yugyo chik danda megyo cha do on den do chik yana leka yang di career yang family member da di career nyam do ni insir kirangi chikra ken sawo chikra tanda change shuk chimbo chile wa do kirangi yang kirangi mental ga la change shuk chimbo etang insir da di yang kirangi physical health ga la change career ga la change shuk chimbo chile wa da current energy on di tungi do kinanzo chidura kiranzo ki chipta ni career ta yakpo do de tungi do ra yakpo tanda career kang la ra os ta kiranzo yu gozu sarda leka cheden zo gozu leka kari ne business ne insir leka ne lopchong ne kari ne chikirang yu gozu sarda next level la kirang gira o tan nga karo gozu sar yakpo do do da next nga khache o na la ne kirang gira this next planning to dik o ne kirang current energy on ne do tungi do ra you might have received some shocking news right now, okay, or you have seen something changed right now in your situation, in your surroundings. Okay, you might have seen some changes right now. This is your current energy, or you might have shocked by hearing, knowing something. Okay, or then it was shocking news or something. Okay, and then your career looks very good. You have started something right now, and it's going good, I think. Okay, so this is your current energy. Ani next 7 days la kiran zora ti chik family member dang ande so ida dewa yo chi yora so dewa che sa chambu che sa chi yora so member dang ning yo da dewa yo sa relationship den dang na kiran ti chik la kiran gi disappoint to feel chi ye do jo den de ngi disappointed ine won chen disappoint shibu cha go den ge thong min do yora shibu situation shibu and ge re mi de kiran emotionally ti chik down to feel che your relationship na lo den de do chi tingi dura ani kiran ta no den de do chi ani kiran simba nanglo ni ti chikta lonely to feel che do da den de tingi dura ti chik loneliness feel che do dra next 7 days la kiran ge ge si danda kiran ge and feel chi yo na ra ani kiran ge next 7 days la kiran ge khachi re so girwa tang positivity kang la ke le family den zo da chirta ne dik shanya chi to poto mo de zo da kiran ge sula ma di kwa thongi do relationship na la de ge changma ta konso ge positive side bitaya go chuk la cha kiran o den li don kiran ge loneliness to shuk chimbo feel che wa ina kiran ge da currently kiran da mi mang bo nyam ti yo ne chi po ti yo khari ne ga sim lai de cancer o cham ya mi mang bo kor mi nyam do pe kyu chen ke mo shor ki do go tene sim ba nang lo ni lonely feel che and be yungu do o de da depression da tende yungi o ina chinji chu mild and da depression and yungi o ina ni kiran ge next 7 days la mi shimba la kang tup ke rokpa che simba sang bo che rokpa che si kyab lai cho o de li do ra kiran ge chi do ka okay. You are going to help people. Okay, if you are feeling lonely from inside, even if you are surrounded by many people, but if you are feeling lonely from deep inside, then in next 7 days you are going to help someone who needed the help. Okay, you are going to help that person with your knowledge, with your financial, with this can be anything. Okay, you are going to help them and then you will feel better next 7 days. You have to change yourself and see the positive side, and you'll feel better because your relationships are actually good. but you are feeling little down in next 7 days, so you have to change yourself as well, okay, to see the positive side. You'll feel better for sure, okay. On dushing okay death card lead rakinan so chidu next 7 days la ani career the pia po do disha chita ni danda currently kinan so relationship pia po do disha simti gomi do sudden shock to chik jum dura on di chen on di khari dula na death card lead ran di kinan so danda ba to chik mati wa do chik khare shuk chim do chik kinan la jum thi yo ai nera to on di zo do gi that zo chara ani kinan so get death card lead ra di kinan gi danda ba to chik mati ni ba so mati mangbu chik mati ko ani mangbu chung yo na de da kinan gi di mati wa di khari chola shane di ta physical health ya na mental health yana kalawri kiran zo gi na career kan la yana relationship na la chik mati wa ni mangbo chung de chora de ge chamani kiran gi kali the next 7 days ni kiran gi kali khachi dulana the mati wa chung de cycle chi ora to odi zoya ke shi yor zoya an kali kiran gi kalawri positive 통양 고추야 다단다 봐도 네게티브 경경 통대로 어디 zoya 아니 positive side 통야라 kiran gi pena tanda semba kyu me chik kali do thi diyo na ondi ni kali kirang healing che to ya la ondi kangi tini ma den to ya ondi dingyo ra next 7 days la ani kali kirang gi den to ni kirang gi positive side la to ya ondi ne dingyo okay ani kirang gi cheta ni career ta ya po do de simri go mindu tanda pe apo du tandu kirang gi authority kirang la kala ore career na la the positive kirang la kala ore promotion to right oda ani business to chigyo ani business yakta ji do the future planning pe apo che to ya do dan kirang gi thag yak po che to ya ondi ne ra kirang gi pe di to the future kirang gi pe yak po tingi dra kirang gi career kang la pe yak po to do simri go mindu relationship ini kirang gi sim na lo la ti chikang gi do thigyo ai na next 7 days la o din de do chi so ti positive side la samlo then change to career looks very good, okay. No need to worry about your career, and right now your relationships also looking very good, but in next 7 days if you feel lonely, then there's a guidance for you, okay. So you have to help someone who's needed, and you have to change yourself and see the positive side. And if you're going through some difficulties with your health, with your mental health, or this can be in your career looks very good, okay. So this can be your mental health or something, okay. You are not very happy right now or something, okay, with your relationships with your family members, or this can be anyone, okay. And if you are going through like this kind of situation, then from the next 7 days you'll feel little by little you are going to heal and feel better, okay. And can also share animal guidance okay. Spirit animal guidance can also okay, only one card is coming for you. Anti-spirit, okay. The anti-spirit, time to collaborate, okay. Oh, the partnership ya ligi do di chik chena kiran so ra business tang de leka chia dang de idea ke dingi de zo chi do ra partnership the collaborate che lai cha da kiran so yang social media do la leka chingi do da yana business and leka che do da yang collaborate che go ya leka de yo ba ina kiran so chi do guidance kari ligi do collaborate je lai cha mingam do deal che mingam do partnership je lai cha o de ligi do kiran so chi do guidance, okay. And collaboration de chemba ne kari ni sig ra kiran so yang so yundi yu ke chi pa mi chemba chi la che mi chemba yundi kari do chu linya tin zo collaborate chagi rapa chu phindo e dira collab chia on de che ta kang the time to collaborate lagi do tadi su chi do guidance si ha mo da so ler ra ani kiran zo message ko eri ke penging chimo chini ra yo pe rewa yo ani nyen de la katak channel la subscribe ani nyud chi yung just le duklo ta so kirangi lo ta do imba ngin dung di kirangi chi do re kirangi chi do next 7 days ra china chuwa gi tarik chik ne dun bar la kirala kare kare chugu do di kola reading yi la shwe, okay. Ani kirala tambo current energy ra kirangi current energy, okay. The emperor current energy kiranzo the strong deshra kalore tanda ba to kali gai tandu kali gao to ni kagi la to da pe po thompo kene de cho so pe confident kala de cho dratic chene de cho ini tis chikron so tanda pe jumbu do yakpu do chung yu this ego be high kene de cho over confident on the do chitung dra. Your current energy looks like you are ready to take the action whatever you have to do, okay. You have been through a lot, but you're feeling like I've been through a lot, but still I will fight for the whatever I have to do, okay. You are you are ready to take action, and you are a little bit overconfident, okay. Your current energy is like that. And And again, there's no need to worry because you are bringing the balance between the overconfident and underconfident. You're feeling confident, okay? So there's a balance between career and relationship. There's a balance between everything, okay? So whatever you have worked for, you have seen some result and you're feeling very proud about yourself, okay? You're feeling very smart. Onde ni rotong dra so be smart to feel ja okay dangi kali ge te bu bi tin so yapudu ta tandu kali khagi gi la cha ani relationship la du so tangi ta so dopo mo de ngam de du so tangi kip tangi ni kali bi khagi onde de la cha so career kan la focus chingi la to da onde de tu tungi dra ani kiran so materialistic danda ba do legal pe kali gap to guno pa jo long chu so la kali ga di gi na ta ti spiritual la tu na ti la cha spiritual path la bi tu gi la cha o de do chu bi ti gi la去养起来着。でりとてぎら、OK ね、キャンソルアイディアチリでした。アイディアさおでれちちごとアイディアさわちらだ。ディフィジカルヘルスかんらおでれちおやなメンタルかんらおでれちおやなスピリチュアルかんらおでれちおた。ディアイディアでキャンソルちどガリにするだら。yang kaji career ki chido o tende cho business chik chido o business tende chi gozo da idea chik kiran zo la pe nima tak par da the idea de core de chik ra kiran la idea yak po chi core de shi da yora okay da di gozuk shana pya po do ga china idea pya po chi kiran zo la da le de shi yo gozuk show la cho. Okay, what is the guidance for you? Okay, the idea the apply you have some idea right now. Okay, so this idea is very good actually. This idea can be for your health, for your relationship, for your career, or for your business. This can be anything, but you are having some ideas, some thoughts recently, okay, going on right now. So if you apply that idea, take action on that idea, that's going to be very good for you, okay. And can I get you to the magician, okay, the kiran surrounding some courage to you ne che to ya get some sang de the kiran bus taking action lin la taking action what did it to the kiran action le ma shi ba sama sang de kiran la and da ba kali ge ge bi te bu thun shi kiran la the next speaker kali ga sam de shi on de ge shi pe bu du kiran zo chi dura okay. Ani kali dula na name fame money success on the samali du kiran zo ki chola era ta kiran ki kare thola kali khegi o dila tibu du kiran ki pen da idea chik da on the idea di koran kari ki thola name fame money success kari ki thola yin bai ne kiran zo on the samarai chance to okay on the sorry take action on the guidance leader. The strength card leader kiran danda ba ti chi kiran ki kalaure idea da mangbo yuninga chita action chita lintu mindu sameto da this low confident do feel chigi ina ani kiran zora da next 7 days la be confident feel chigi dura ani pe simpat sangma shide kindness ra ani pe sim ra shide shukchi bo yugyo kindness ra ani confident ani kirangi ego sama ma chak to ya overconfident tang ego and yo and ma chak to ya one den kiran pe misang ma yakpu ra you are going to be very good person and you are fighting with your ego and you can make it down and you are going to be very pure person, okay, in next 7 days on the you are fighting with your negativity, with your own negativity, okay, and you're seeing the positive side in next 7 days and you're feeling very good about that. You're feeling very confident, okay, on the next 7 days. And if you're working for name fame money success, then you're going to see that by little, but you're going to see that, okay, from next 7 days on the if you take action on that idea whatever you have right now, okay, on the relationship na la yapopi do to the raini kiran so tis chigra kalaure satisfaction do ra pe yapu do inera step the kalega le lingi do yora relationship sawa and na la tsuyo ine kalega le lingi do yang kiran so relationship na already yo inera kiran so ge step khari lim ba ne samlo yapu tangi lingi do la cha step khari lingi yo ne samlo pe yapu tang ne da age ta step lingo ina mena lene khandis lingo ina kagam stu so te go ina kagam stu so lingo ina la cha relationship na la o tende do shi kiranzogi next 7 days lara in takpe yakpo chigidu yapudura ani kiranzogi chidu animal guidance karligidura animal guidance mot spirit tedilidura animal guidance karligidu surrender now, okay, kirangi tanda khare do chikra to give me do tigi me do chik chegi me do something yo ane ra ta surrender che lai cha ta yo shash ta upar wala ke हाथ में lai cha ta koncho ki karina ne un te re dang ne shigu shigu chi to ge ke mindu lai cha pe da surrender je shu to so so nga zo lai cha ta nga di che pe de ba yu la manifest che la kare che ore so so idan da dendi chi le ka tubia to da la na ta dendi chi dukna tigi to a dendi chi kali gya wasam so so kali gya bi ne trebuti kagam sragi re di so so la pala me adi di surrender che lai cha kali di gya bi ne trebu tagam skoyo ta lai cha on so so la pa me kali khazu ke gi la so so la pala yo ne trebu kagam sko lai so so la pala me an di surrender che da arang kali ke gi sini koncho gi trebu nga khazu na ne koncho gi la pala re lai cha o dendi do surrender now la ne li do okay ke nan zo gi okay ni take action and work very hard but don't expect the result okay surrender just whatever God gives that's for me okay just surrender it but work very hard this is your guidance for this week okay one day li do ani so so lo go message ti pe ngin mo jen so so lo ra pe re wa yu ani ngin tung de la kadak channel la subscribe ani ngir de che yang Tashtale dulo ta so kirang kilo ta duli ba nangin dung de kirang ki chidu re kirang ki chidu next 7 days ra tarik chikne tarik dun parla ra na chinda chuwa ki tarik chikne tarik dun bala kirang la kare kare chungu du kala reading hi la shwe hi ani tabo kirang ki current energy ra current energy okay current energy mangche chi chi be financial kang la ra kirang so ideas sawa chi o danga dendi business chik chego dendi leka chik chego dendi chik chego la ideas sawa chi dura ini kirang so apply che me gyo do da ideas sawa chi business chik chego yang na ti chik chego leka dendi chik career dendi chik chego lokchong dendi chik chang go chi gyo da sawa chik ini kirang so da da pa do go chuk mi do ra ini sawa chi khor de che endi che ra di chi ninga paljur da pisha pya pos income pya po gyo su to ya chi donga dendi chik la ni idea do ke de che la apply na kalaure practical kang la to mi do da yora kina zo de de wo chi tung do kina zo ka ji chi chi do da da lega ko zuk cha yore kirang zo income su cha yore changma che cha yore ni kirang zo ge da da kalaure lega ni wa do side hustle do da indi ka balance su chi ge de shira balance ani kirang zo chi do yang na di indi isi ge da ya na so so da lega chi go zo da ra da ya relationship nyam da tharing bu do cha so so family pingya na mi de zo nyam da tharing bu do cha do na ani da yang kalaure the consulate do te ma to ya lega machina ni mati ko den do balance to se ma to nikali the de do da den tu do ya na khashi chikta yang pe thak rimbu thera travel da da chikina khashi travel che de sring is recently travel che do da ya the travel che planning to che de do da on de dura ani keran so ichi do chitane keran so ke simba pe sangma ani pe tanda kandi feel chi do pe simba sangma hulu nyam do feel chi do ani keran so ke ta so so chik pu gi wangcha de sangma so so gi rang male ba che mi simba le authorities mi simbala ke cha den so shi chuk lap chuk nin khari lagi do de nang che tai chwa simbala samshi simbala ta samshi shuk chimbo je to ye jo de ni kiran zo gi chirtani energy pe pure ani kiran zo pe this chik dan ngoma da and sigan dan pe freedom to feel che jo de you're feeling freedom right now and you are giving attention to other people and let them talk and you're just listening and giving them authority as well and you're giving some understanding towards your relationship as well and some of you are like working very hard but you are unable to give time to your parents, family members, your spouses and your partners, okay? Or if you are giving lots of time towards your family members and your relationship, then you are unable to give time to your career. This kind of situation is going there and you try to make balance between them as well, or you are making some plans to go some other place, other country, other cities, okay? You're planning, or you just going, or you just went as well, okay? This can be anything. This is your current energy and you have found some new ideas to make money, to make your financial life better, but you are not applying that right now. You just have an idea, have a thoughts, have an idea, but you are not being practical right now. This is also your energy as well, okay? This can be like keran tanda chigla chilega chedi yugire keran chimba chig che planning yugire ne tanda go chu mewa on de ro shitung dro, okay? This is your current energy. Ani, this is your guidance. Okay, any future la kiran la kharip ligidula nara guidance ta sain ne khari ligidula na kiran la planning soy la ja jema khari yakpu chumudu yakpu chungye chidu khare khare cheudu planning dik la ni ai dik khare guidance oda ligidura kiran chu chidu planning dik la ja odi guidance ligidu ani kiran ki danda padu kiran ki lega madu pande khare chung yo ai ne danda padu failure to the madu pande khare chung yo ai ne the next kiran ki ti chicks lele den samlo yakpu tang ani lega thak chu la ni odi idea ligidu the future la khare jaga to ne samlo yakpu tang ne thak chu go ya odi ligidura ani samlo matang thep thep ma chewa che samlo yakpu tang thak chu go ya odi this lele de go ya odi ligidura ani and chitani kiran future planning the yakpochine digo dug la chitadara on the guidance on the lidu you have to make your future plannings for in next 7 days. Okay, you have to, this is your guidance, and you, if you are trying to do something but you are failing in that thing again and again, then in next 7 days take some time for yourself, sit back, relax and think very well before applying, before doing anything. Okay, this is your guidance as well. Ani karli dulana Knight of Swords. Okay, and you can also chitan na next 7 days la idea you get at taking action, right? You can also action you should chimbu lintu dura pe yakudu kale gyatu do the samlo gari idea do chi khare khordi ra on the idea do chi danda can also chik jego some apply jemi the next 7 days la can also go to a chance to the idea chi yora chik jego some but go to a chance to run go to run can also pay yakpo leka di pay yakpo chetu get to chitan ra ani ine go to go to dambo can get the go to me the idea do chi sawa do chi le de na go to me ani on the next 7 days la ani go to get to ani can also chi kat mangbo chi leader. Okay, they can so next 7 days la kachi chik family member da so kyoga ki meche da pugu do da conceive and just expand of family expand to cho sam gyo na can so pugu do da and chai give chance to la ni share. Okay, can so ichi do ani can so chita ni next 7 days la kyu dia self love che so la tsewa che chambu che so la pe kyu shagya o den try shuk chambu che dura yapudu. Okay, self love de ge chimbura ani keran zo da this chik koryu ki situation gi jene this kyu me gyu do chagyo ai ne ra next 7 days la keran zo la this chik ra semla shiri to this positivity le thu ya ge o den de tungi dura da koryu surrounding de this chik keran gi da yana di khari ne se yana kera overthinking che ni goran keran kyu me gyu chai to da den de insir ra den de chungyo ana de keran zo la idea sawa chik du da keran zo ra ani o de da keran so gida career gi chola redu da career gi chola so financial dan so leka dan tindi chola redu ra on the idea sawa chili dura ni kiran so da apply chemin that you have only idea to do something in your career, you didn't take action till now. Okay, so in this next 7 days you are going to take action as well. I see that, and your relationships are getting better in next 7 days. Okay, can I get mutual understanding, harmonies are there in a relationship, harmonies are there going to be there in a relationship as well for next 7 days. Okay, and if you are single and you want to get into some relationship, then you might meet a person who is very interesting. Okay, interested in you as well. Okay, on the do it we have a chance to can meet we have a chance to can as a relationship na you need is only any deep side to the parts of understanding layer to the mutual on the lead the right can any career can so that the pay kalore this handle yakpo chema to ni this quality go aina can also next 7 days la planning yakpo tik la de ligi do ani can also idea kariyo de apply che leka che go to take action and ligi do. Okay, ani can also the same like this overthinking do da and shuk chimbu chigyo aina ni overthinking di ani sheta majawa che leka che go to la jo chik pa su movement che go to ani can also similar namto do da dami da kharili di yo aina kale kale cham do re la cho positivity o de thing. Okay, can also shir kar pe mampu to kono gora guidance mampu pe lesa ani can also shir animal spirit ki guidance kari ke lidu animal spirit. Okay, dragonfly spirit, dragonfly lidu de dragonfly kari ke lidu truth transcends illusion. Okay, ta kirangi tanda illusion do chi di ingi mare de ingire chi mangpo chi leba na la so de gyo ra 다이라 이네 그렇게 가져 쇠네 마쇠네 타마데 중요하디네 actual truth 원에 가르레더라 원디랑 중기레 라이죠 illusion 데 illusion 삼로랑 델랑 리그레 델랑 조조리 원에 가르인 바디 원에 중기레 라이죠 오 데데 도시티기더라 기란 저게 치도 니 illusion 갈라데 삼로 숙제 못하는 배 네게티비티 갈 조다 데서 티식 소소 르르 심버스 르르 쇠시게더라 오 데데 도시 둥기도 아니 오케이 아니 계란솔로고에 메시지 되게 뱅잉 치무진 소소소라 라이브레와 유 아니 인동들 라가닥 채널 subscribe 아니 뉴르트 채용